Hello students, welcome to my study channel. Today we will study, we will work out the questions of exercise 2.4. These are the word problems of class 8. Okay, so let us start. So you see the first problem is given here. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 upon 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8 and the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. So what is the number? So what it has been asked, what is the number? Okay, so let the number be x and we have to subtract 5 upon 2 from it. So the result is x minus 5 upon 2. And we have to multiply the result by 8. Then you multiply 8. That will be equal to 3 times the same number she thought of. Amina thought the number to be x. So 3 times, that means that is 3x. So let us solve it. This is the equation we have to solve to find the definite value of x. So that implies, you see, you multiply, you see this is the distributivity. Okay. So distributive property already you know. So you multiply 8x minus 5 upon 2 into 8, that is equal to 3x. That implies 8x, you just by command factor 2, you just divide both 2 and 8 from the numerator and the denominator. So this is 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. That implies 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. Because minus 20 here, minus 20 is transposed to right hand side. That implies 5x is equal to 20. That implies x is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 4s are 20, so that is 4 upon 1, that is equal to 4. So this is the solution. So this is the number she thought of. Okay, so this is question number 1. Let us move to question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? You see, first it has been given a positive number is 5 times another number. Okay? So, if one number be x, then the positive number will be equal to 5x. If 21 is added to both the numbers, so if you add 21 to both, so the first number which we have taken x, that will be x plus 21, and the next one is 5x plus 21. So after adding 21 to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other number. So one of the new numbers becomes twice the other of the new number. So you see, if I write 5x plus 21, that is equal to twice of the new number. So both are the new numbers. X plus 21 is one new number and 5x plus 21 is another new number. So if I write 5x plus 21, that is twice, that means 2 multiplied by x plus 21. So this is the equation and we will have to find the solution so that we can get the required two numbers. That means the positive number and x. So you see, this is the equation and we have to solve. So 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 2 into 21, that is 42. That implies 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. That implies 3x is equal to 21. That implies x is equal to 21 upon 3. That is equal to 7. So you see, if x becomes 7, that implies what is 5x? That is 5 into 7, that is equal to 35. So the two numbers are, the positive number is 35, 5x, and the other number is 7. So both the numbers are 7 and 35. Okay? So this is the question number 2. Let us move to question number 3. It is an interesting number. You see, sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? So you see, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Let us take x be the one digit of the two-digit number. So the other digit of the two-digit number that you write, that is 9 minus x, and you see x plus of 9 minus x, that is equal to 9. That means the sum of the two digits of the two-digit number is 9. So if I take one digit of the number x, so the other digit will be 9 minus x. So from the question number 3, yes, and when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So you see, we have to, here in this question, we will have to take the original number. What we will do? You see, let 9 minus x digit, that will be in the tens place. So what is the two-digit number? 10 whole into 9 minus x plus x, that is equal to 10 into 9 is equal to 90 minus 10x plus x, that is equal to 90 minus 9x. So let it be original number here, as we have taken as the original number. And if we interchange the digits, that means the digit in the ones place will come to the tens place, and the digit of the tens place will move to the ones place. So here you can write 10 into x plus of 9 minus x. Okay, so that is equal to 10x minus x plus 9. That means this is 9x plus 9. So this is the new number. New number means after interchanging the digits, because it is the original number already you have taken. So what it has been written here, that the new number, then one of the new numbers becomes, question number 3 is, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So the difference between the new number and the original number is 27. It's okay. So according to the question, 9x plus 9 minus 90 minus 9x. So this is the new number and this is the original number, and the difference is 27 given. So this is the equation. We will have to find the root. That implies 9x plus 9 minus 90, minus into minus plus 9x, that is equal to 27. That implies 9x plus 9x, 9x plus 9x, and minus 81 is equal to 27. That implies we will have to transpose minus 81 towards the right hand side, to the right hand side. So 18x is equal to 27 plus 81, that is equal to 108. That implies x is equal to 108 upon 18. So 18 sixes are 108. So x is equal to 6. So if x becomes 6, that implies what is 9 minus x? That is 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. Okay? So with the help of two digits, one is 6 and the other one is 3. And you see, if the original number be 90 minus 9x, we have taken, so 90 minus 9x, that is equal to 90 minus 9 into, what is the value of x? 6. So that is equal to 90 minus 9 6s are 54. That is equal to 36. And if it would have been the original one, so what would have been the number? 9x plus 9. That is equal to 9 into 6 plus 9. You see, that is 54 plus 9. That is equal to 63. So this 36 or 63. Both possibilities there. Okay. So here it has been asked, what is the two-digit number? The two-digit number is 36 or 63. Both are possible. If it is original, then it is new number. If it is original, it will be new number. Two options are there. Okay. Let us move to question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. It's okay. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. So what is the original number? So the condition is one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Okay. So if one digit be x of a two-digit number, the other digit will be, that is 3 times s, 3 times of the other digits, so this will be 3x. If we interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, so let us write the original number. Suppose 10 into x, that means I put x in the tens place and 3x in the ones place, plus 3x is equal to 10x plus 3x, that is equal to 13x. It is my original number. So if I interchange the digits, so 3x digit will be in tens place, so 10 into 3x plus x into 1, that means x. This digit is in ones place now, so that is equal to 30x plus x, that is equal to 31x. Let it be new number. So if you interchange the digits of the two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. So according to the question, 13x plus 31x is equal to 88. So this is the equation. We will have to find the solution. We have to find the root. So you see 13x plus 31x, that is 44x, that is equal to 88. That implies x is equal to 88 upon 44. X is equal to 2. So what is the original number here? I have already taken 13x. So that implies 13x is equal to 13 into 2, that is equal to 26. So what is the new number? And 31x is equal to 31 into 2, that is equal to 62. So if I take this as the original number, this will be new number. If I take this as the original number, this will be the new number after interchanging the digits. So both 26 and 62 both are possible. So we can write the original number is 26 or 62. So we can do like this. Move to question number 5. Suppose mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. Sobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Let Sobo's present age let Sobo's present age be x years. So suppose mother's present age is equal to 6 times Sobo's present age, so that is x years into 6, that is equal to 6x that is equal to 6x and the unit is years. So 6x years, that is Sobo's mother's present age, and x years Sobo's present age. So Sobo's age 5 years from now. If I add 5 years to Sobo's age, that will be equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. So you see, Sobo's age 5 years from now. Sobo's age is x years, and 5 years from now, that means x plus 5 years. X plus 5 years, that is the Sobo's age after 5 years, and that will be equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. Mother's present age is 6x years, so 1/3 of 6x years, that is equal to 1/3 into 6x years. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s, that is equal to 2x years. Okay, this is the case subject. So we have to build the equation. How? The x plus 5, that is equal to 1/3 into 6x. Because common years we have to cancel from both the sides. So you see, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are x. 3 2s are 6. So x plus 5 is equal to 2x. That implies 2x minus x is equal to 5. That implies x is equal to 5. You may do like this, or if you do not do like this, you bring 2x to the x minus 2x is equal to minus 5. That implies minus x is equal to minus 5. Then you multiply minus 1 on both sides. That is equal to x is equal to 5. You may do like this, or you may do like this. So, what are the present ages? So, Sobo's age is 5 years. What is Sobo's mother's present age? That is 6 years. 6x years. So 6x is equal to, that implies 6x is equal to 6 into 5, that is equal to 30. So Sobo's present age is 5 years and Sobo's mother's present age is 30 years. So the question number 6 is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Bahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 rupees to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Dimensions of the plot means we have to know and the breadth of the rectangular plot. So this is the length and this is the breadth. And the ratio of length to the breadth is 11:4. So if the length be 11x meter, the breadth will be 4x meter. You see, length upon breadth, that is equal to 11x meter divided by 4x meter. You see, meter cancels. So the ratio is 11:4. So what is the perimeter here? The perimeter of the rectangle, 2 whole into length plus breadth, that is equal to 2 whole into 11x plus 4x. Common unit meter is here, that is equal to 2 into 11x plus 4x, that is 15x meter, that is equal to 30x meter. So this is the perimeter. And at the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. So you see, to fence 1 meter of the rectangular plot, the cost of fencing is 100 rupees. And the total expenditure, it has been 75,000 of rupees. So you see, how many 100 rupees are there in 75,000 rupees? That means how many 100 rupees are added to itself to get 75,000 rupees. That is the required number of lengths in meter we can know. You see, 75,000 rupees, 75,000 divided by rupees 100. So it will same unit cancels, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is equal to 750. So rupees 100. That means one fencing of 1 meter. So this is 750 meter. Is the perimeter of the rectangular plot. And from here, we have derived the 30x meter, which is 750 meter. So we can build an equation here according to the question. 30x meter, that is equal to 750 meter. So that is 750. From both sides, we cancel the same unit meter and meter. So that implies x is equal to 750 divided by 30. 3 1 is 3, 25 3 is 75. So x is equal to 25. So if x is equal to 25, what is the length? The length is equal to 11x meter. That means 11x is equal to 11 into 25. That is equal to 11 5s are 55. Carry 5, 11 2s are 22 plus 5. 275, and 4x is equal to 4 into 25, that is equal to 100. So the length is 275 meter and the breadth is 100 meter. So this is a calculation we did roughly. Just I wanted to make you understand how we are doing this, and towards the end of the video clip already I have sent the photos of the answer sheets. So don't worry, be with me. We'll go to the next question. So we'll now work out. We'll solve the question number 7 here. It is an interesting problem. Just you mark here. Question number 7. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that costs him 50 rupees per meter and trouser material that costs him 90 rupees per meter. So, cost cost of shaft material, that is 50 rupees per meter. Per meter, yes. And cost of trouser material is 90 rupees per meter. Rupees 90 per meter. This is the case. But whenever Hassan buys, for every 3 meters of the shaft material, he buys 2 meters. So whenever he goes to buy, he doesn't bring 1 meter, no. He brings for every 3 meters, he buys 2 meters of the trouser. That means if he brings 7 meters, that is the 6 meters of the shaft material, then 4 meters of the trouser material. Okay, in that ratio it is. So he sells the materials. So when at this cost he buys, then he also sells these materials. But he sells the shaft material at 12% and 12% profit, and when he sells the trouser material, that is which he has bought 90 rupees per meter, he sells it at 10% profit, and the total sale is given. So you see selling price, total selling price or total selling price, that is equal to rupees 36,600, and it is 12% profit. When he sells, here he gives 10% profit. And how much trouser material did he buy? So the question is, how much trouser material did he buy? Okay. How much trouser material did he buy? Suppose you see, when he buys 3 meters from the shaft material, at the same time he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. Suppose he has brought 3x meter of shaft material and 2x meter of trouser material. You see 3x upon 2x, that is 3 into x, 2 into x, so x cancels. So you see 3 upon 2, that is 3:2. The ratio is same. We have not disturbed the ratio. So if shaft material he has brought 3x meter, and we need this, and also he has bought 2x meter of trouser material. Okay, so you see what profit he has made out of 3x meter he has brought from the shaft material. You will see. So let's see, per meter the cost price is rupees 50. So what is the cost price for 3x meter of the shaft material? What is the cost price? We have to see. So per 1 meter, if the cost is 50 rupees, for 3x meter, that will be rupees 50 into 3x. That is equal to rupees 150x. This is the cost price he has brought in this price. So what is the cost price for 2x meter, that is of the trouser material? It is 90 rupees per meter. For 2x meter it is 2x into rupees 90. That is equal to rupees 180x. So this is the cost price for the shaft material he has bought, and this is the cost price for the trouser material. It's okay. Now, so what is the profit? At 12% profit, he has sold the shaft material. So you see, what is the selling price of this shaft material of 3x meter? Selling price of the shaft material he has bought. That means shaft material of length 3x meter. What is the selling price? So put the formula here, it will be better for you. That is, what is the selling price? When the cost price is given here, profit percent is given. What is the formula for getting the selling price? You just recall it. 100 plus profit percent. So what is the profit percent here? For 100, 12. So profit percent, that means out of 100, the value I will write here, that is 12. Divided by 100 into the cost price. Okay. So what is the cost price here? Rupees 150x, that is 150 into x. So total I will common I will write here the unit total in rupees. So you see 112 upon 100 into 150 into x. So you see, and this is 15 into 112. So it will be better. 15 to 0 30, carry 3. 15 1 is 15 plus 3, that is 18. Carry 1, 15 1 is 15 plus 1, 16. So that is equal to rupees 1680 into x divided by 10. So that is equal to rupees 168x. No harm you do like this. So I erase it. And for the trouser material, what will be the selling price? Profit is 10%. So I will put the value 10 here. So you see, just the same formula I will do it and give the rupees here. And 100 plus 12, here it is 10. So 110 totally I am writing here. Divided by 100 into 180x. 180 into x. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So that is equal to rupees 18 into 11, that is 100, 80 plus 18, 198, rupees 190x. So this is the selling price of the total trouser material he has bought, and this is the selling price of the shaft material he has bought. So okay, so you see, already we have known the total selling price is given here 36,600. So what is the equation here? 168x plus 190 80x, that is equal to 36,600 perhaps, yes, 36,600. So from both the side the unit rupees we cancel. So that implies you just add them 168 plus 198. 8 2s are 16, carry 1 here, 16 carry 1 here, 366. So 366x is equal to this much. That implies what is the value of x? 36,600 divided by 366. So 361, here it is 100. That is equal to 100. So if x is equal to 100, how much material? 2x meter material he has got out of the trouser material. So what is 2x? That implies 2x is equal to 2 into 100, that is equal to 200. So he has got 200 meter, that is the length, that is the 200 meter of trouser material. Okay, so just we will do like this. So question number 8. Half a herd of a deer are grazing in the field, and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Let x be the number of herd. So let x be the number of deer in the herd. Herd means group of animals. Here is the deer is the animal. So let x be the number of deer in the herd. So half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. So half of x, that is x by 2, or x divided by 2, or x upon 2. So these represent they are grazing in the field. And 3/4 of the remaining. So the remaining means x minus of x upon 2, that is equal to x upon 2, because there are 2x upon 2 in 1x. So 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. That means 3 upon 4 into x upon 2. This is the remaining. So that is equal to 3 upon 8x, or 3x upon 8. Number of deer are playing nearby, and the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. So next, the rest 9, they are drinking water in the pond. So the total number of, already we have written x be the number of deer in the herd. So you see, what you will do here? The x, which is the total number of deer in the herd, minus x upon 2 plus 3 upon 8x, or 3x upon 8 is equal. This difference is definitely 9. So this is the algebraic equation we developed, and we will have to find the solution, because total number of the deer was x, and x upon 2, they were grazing in the field. Yes or no? Let us see the question. A half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. Yes, 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby, and rest 9 were drinking water. So x minus of x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 is equal to 9. So we have to solve this. So you see, x minus 2 and 8, the LCM is 8. So we have to make the denominator 8 here. So what you will do here? X into 4 divided by 2 into 4 plus 3x divided by 8, you may tell, is equal to 9. Here you may write LCM of 2 and 8 is equal to 8. That implies x minus 4x upon 8 plus 3x upon 8, you keep it in the bracket, that is equal to 9. That implies x minus 4x plus 3x, that is equal to 9. That implies x minus 7x upon 8, that is equal to 9. So that implies, you see, x means x upon 1, 8, the LCM is 8. So we may do like this, 8x upon 8 minus 7x upon 8 is equal to 9. LCM of 1 and 8 is equal to 8. That implies common denominator is 8. 8x minus 7x is equal to 9. That implies x upon 8 or x divided by 8 is equal to 9. That implies x is equal to 8 into 9 is equal to 72. So this is the solution. Total number of deer present in the herd. So this is question number 8. So this is question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Let the present age of the granddaughter be x years. So grandfather's present age is equal to, that is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So 10 into x years, that is equal to 10x years, which is the present age of the grandfather. He is also 54 years older than her. So according to the question, you see the difference between the two present years of the grandfather and granddaughter. That means 10x here and here it is x. So the difference, that means 10x minus x, that is equal to 54 years. 54. Because from both sides the same unity years we cancel. That implies 10x minus x, that is 9x is equal to 54. That implies x is equal to 54 upon 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 6s are 54, that is equal to 6. So granddaughter's present age is 6 years. That implies, what is 10x? That is 10 into 6, that is equal to 60 years. So grandfather's present age is 60 years and granddaughter's present age is 6 years. So you will do like this. Now the last question of the exercise, question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Let Aman's son's present age is x years. So x years is the son's present age. And Aman's age is 3 times his son. That means Aman's present age is 3x years. Because he is thrice of the present age of his son. 10 years ago. So when 10 years ago, that means 3x minus 10 years. Here x minus 10, that of the son. So 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. So before 10 years, what was the age of his father Aman? 3x minus 10 years. What was the age before 10 years of the son? X minus 10. So what was the relation between the two ages before 10 years? The 10 years ago, father was 5 times his son's age. So this was father's age, so this will be equal to 5 times 5 into you may give here a bracket. So this is the equation you will have to solve. That implies 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 50. That implies 3x minus 5x. You bring the variables or you bring the variable to one side. Okay? That is equal to minus 50 minus 10. That will be plus 10. That implies minus 2x is equal to minus 40. That implies you multiply minus 1 on both sides. That implies 2x is equal to 40. That implies x is equal to 40 upon 2. 1 is to 2 is 40. That is equal to 20. So Aman's son's age is 20 years, and that implies what is 3x? That is 3 into 20. That is equal to 60. So Aman's present age is 60 years, and you see 60 years, your son's is 20 years, so 23 years 60, and you multiply 3 by x years, that is 3x years, that is the present age of his father. So if you have not subscribed this channel, you please subscribe the channel, and we will be solving like this. And thank you again for watching my channel. Wish you all the best. We will meet in the next class.